UTL Solar, UTL Solar कंपनी प्रोफाइल, UTL इंडिया मोस्ट प्रीफर्ड ब्रांड का अवार्ड मिला है 2021। UTL was founded in 1996 by two professional engineers, Mr. Yogesh Dua and Mr. Pawan Garg. UTL is one of the leading brand in backup and power generation in India. UTL offers wide range of quality products, has 4 manufacturing units, strong network distribution and dealers across the globe, and highly motivated workforce. We were offering excellent R&D services through the team of more than 100 and R&D professional and exporting R&D services, and you will see certified products to various countries including USA, UAE, Nigeria, etc. As the company values long team relationship, our stakeholders and even customers have very long association with UTL. Our mission and vision. UTL's mission is to develop value for money, world-class products, and provide excellent service to its customers worldwide. UTL has a clear vision to double its reach globally every second year. UTL in 2022-21, 25 years old brand, 10,000 plus dealers in India, 2,000 associated employees, 60 plus strong R&D team, 4 manufacturing units, 120 we made up to 120 kVA capacity, 1100 plus per day production capacity, 1 crore plus satisfied customers, 400 billion turnover. एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ, ये डाटा एक है एक्सपोनेंशियल ग्रोथ थ्रूआउट्स द ईयर ऑफ ईयर. UTL अचीवमेंट्स 25 फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनीज इन इंडिया 2019 में UTL UPS सोलर इन्वर्टर. सम रिमार्केबल माइलस्टोन कवर्ड बाय UTL आर: First India SMT inverter in year 2000. First India single card inverter solution. First India sine wave inverter with inbuilt stabilizer. First India manufacturer to develop high frequency online UPS. UTL RMPPT, first India PCU that has all configuration available on its LCD itself. First online UPS in which charger, inverter card and IGBT are on single card. UTL product range. We offer extensive range of products including online UPS, offline UPS, RMPPT, solar PCUs, home inverter, solar panel, solar tubular batteries, SMU, solar management unit, solar charge controller, enabling us to accommodate all the needs of our customer up to their full satisfaction. 800 VA to 5 kVA Technikia Cine Wave Inverter. 67 VA to 1475 VA Samsi Solar Inverter. 850 VA to 3500 VA Heliax Solar Inverter. 1 kVA to 12 volt to 24 volt Gamma Plus RMPPT Solar Inverter. 25 kVA to 5 kVA Gamma PCU. 1 kVA to 15 kVA Alpha Plus Solar PCU. 1 kVA to 15 kVA Sigma Hybrid Solar PCU. 1 kilowatt to 60 kilowatt string inverter grid tie. UTL product range 40Ah to 230Ah. TEL tubular battery, 40 watt to 330 watt solar panel, 12 volt to 24 volt, 10 ampere to 20 ampere BMW solar charge controller. 12 volt to 24 volt up to 40 ampere SMU solar management unit. 12 volt to 10 ampere to 3060 V slash 60 ampere RM50 solar charge controller. 6 kVA to 20 kVA lift inverter. 1 kVA to 10 kVA high frequency online UPS. 3 kVA to 120 kVA online UPS inbuilt isolation. E-rickshaw products, UTL smart LED TV, UTL stabilizer, UTL gas geyser. UTL achievements: in Best India recognition, largest company in off-grid inverter, one of 25 fastest growing electronic manufacturing company in India. UTL achievement 2018 to 19, IMP India's most preferred brand award 2019 to 20, IMP India most preferred brand. Our global presence, our business ethics help us to achieve the huge list of fully happy clients spread all over the world. Prestigious customers, our business ethics helped us to achieve the huge list of happy brands spread all over the world. Some of the happy prestigious customers are Airtel, PVR, Bharat Petroleum, Air India, NPCIL, ITI, Big Cinemas, Global IME Bank, Gold Plus, LIC, Indos, Bell, Indian Oil, SR Plus, Continental, Contitech, BSNL, Dainik Bhaskar, NTPC, Wipro, ONGC, KFC, UTL Solar, Fujiyama Power Systems Private Limited. Corporate Office 53A by 4 6 Rama Road Industrial Area near Sadguru Ram Singh Marg Metro Station near NDPL Grid Office Delhi 110015 Manufacturing Village Nariyal near Sector 4 Barrier Parwan Ko Himachal Pradesh 173220. Thank you.